Ever felt the pain of breaking up concrete using a standard steel bar? Well, have we got the tools for you? The Terrax, with its patented reaction bar technology, uses an internal sliding hammer to give a secondary knock into whatever you're hitting, but more importantly, it takes out all the pain that you would feel in your wrists and shoulders when breaking through concrete by hand. The forged steel wedge on the end of the Terrax comes with a 5-year guarantee. Here we are using the Terrax to break up a driveway and make room for a new project. The reaction bar technology removes all pain from hard digging situations, unlike a standard steel bar by comparison. Using the Terrax, we are able to use both sides of our body evenly while keeping a straight back. Here we have a conventional steel bar weighing 12 kg. Bang, that just looks like hard work. Here we can see the reaction bar technology inside the Terrax. It gives a secondary knock into whatever we hit, but more importantly, it just takes out all the jarring pain associated with this sort of manual labour. Right, let's get the right tool for the job, the Terrax. Terrax makes light work of any hard digging situation. Terrax.